Welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to add any NFC cards to Apple Wallet, so let's jump straight into it now. In order to do this, you first want to make sure you're running iOS 13 or above. If you are running an older iOS version, unfortunately, it's not going to be compatible. So you can check what version you're running by opening up your settings. From your settings, you want to scroll down and press on to General. Then what you want to do is press on to About at the top of this screen, and it's going to tell you what iOS version you run in. So we know that my device is compatible now. Once you've checked that, what you're going to want to do next is open up the App Store on your iPhone, and what you want to do is search for something called NFC tools, so you want to type that into the search box and just give this search. What you need to do is actually install this one here with this orange icon called NFC TS. So what we're going to do is just download and install this onto our iPhone. It's just going to take minutes and once that's downloaded, just go ahead and open up NFC Tools now from your screen. What you want do is make sure you've got your NFC card to hand, and then what you want to do is press the orange read button at the top. Once you press this, you're going to see it. Says Ready Scan Approach and NFC tag, and at this point, all you need to do is simply scan the NFC tag on your NFC card. Once you've done that, the card should be picked up and automatically add it to your Apple Wallet. And that is how you can go ahead and add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. I would really appreciate it if you was consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.